Hello everyone. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is division. So Sita had 20 pencils with her and she wanted to put the pencils equally in 4 pouches, as you can see in the picture. So she kept 20 pencils in 4 pouches by putting 5 pencils in each pouch. So she put 5 pencils in the first pouch, another 5 pencils in the second pouch, then the third pair of pencils in the third pouch, and the fourth pair of pencils in the fourth pouch. So she divided all the pencils equally in 4 pouches. When we share equally, we call it as division. Division vocabulary. So, if you want to divide a number, say 35 by 7. So, 35 is the dividend over here, and you can see the division symbol on the screen. 7 will be the divisor, and when we divide 35 by 7, we get the quotient 5. Properties of division. So our first property says when we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. That means if we want to divide 9 by 1, we will get the quotient as the number itself, that is 9. Suppose you have to divide 427 by 1, you will get the same number, that is 427, as the quotient. Coming to our third example, if you want to divide 185 by 1, you will get the same number as the quotient, that is 185. Coming to our second property, which says when we divide 0 by a number, the quotient is 0. So if you will divide 0 by a number, say 7, the answer or say the quotient is always 0. So if you want to divide 0 by 11, the quotient is again 0. If you will divide 0 by a 4-digit number or any number, the quotient you will get is 0. Coming to our third property, we have when we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1. Let's see some examples. If you will divide 19 by 19, you will get 1 as the quotient. If you will divide 567 by itself, that is 567, you will get 1 as the quotient. Coming to our third example, we have a 4-digit number, that is 7862. If you will divide it by itself, that is 7862, you will again get the quotient, that is 1. The fourth property says we cannot change the order of the dividend and divisor in division. Suppose we have to divide 18 by 2, so answer will be 9. But you cannot change the order of the dividend and the divisor. The dividend and divisor over here, the dividend is 18 and the divisor is 2. And we cannot divide it like 2 divided by 18, because then we will just change the question, and which is not possible. We cannot divide 2 by 18. Coming to our next property, which says division by 0 is not possible. If you want to divide 42 by 7, you will write 7 over here, you will write 42 over here, और आप 7 का टेबल करो. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. So you will write 6 over here the table of 2. So 2 ones are 2. हमने यहाँ पर ऐसे लिखा 2 ones are 2 and then what's our next step? We have to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then what will come down? 4. 2 के टेबल में 4 कितने टाइम्स आता है? Yes, 2 times. So you will write 2 over here. 2 times is 4. You will write 4. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. What will come down? Our next number. That is 2. So 2 के टेबल में 2 कितने टाइम्स आता है? Yes, it comes 1 time. 2 1 times is 2. Now we have to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what will be our quotient? Our quotient will be 120.